fracture glows where the daylight ends. The sky is torn, it will never mend. Colors bleed into soundless waves, carrying secrets no one saves. I hear the voices faint and low, from places where the lost ones go. Whispers in the broken horizon, shadows drift where the light is gone. Stories carved in the fading silence, calling me as the night moves on. Mountains bend like forgotten spires, ashes fall from